shocking hair habits that are stopping your hair growing further. If you will fix them, your hair growth will boost up like 10 times faster.
Fearless.
Number 1. Never ever skip those bald hair patches. If you notice bald spots or patches on your scalp, it is crucial to address the issue immediately. Even a small delay or negligence can accelerate hair loss and potentially lead to complete baldness. To effectively tackle this problem, you need a prompt and reliable solution. Begin by obtaining a high-quality derma roller with 1.0mm needles. Always ensure that the derma roller is properly disinfected before each use. Apply it directly to the areas affected by hair loss, gently rolling it 5 to 7 times in each direction. After rolling, apply the most effective minoxidil gel available in your region and massage it thoroughly into the scalp to enhance absorption. With consistent daily use, you can typically begin to notice visible hair regrowth within 4 to 5 days. Number 2. Never ignore your scalp. Your scalp is basically the ground where your hair grows. If it's full of gunk, dry, flaky skin, and tons of dandruff, sorry, but nothing's really gonna work. That's why it's super important to keep your scalp clean. You can use a store-bought scalp detox scrub, or just make one at home by mixing a bit of sugar into your regular shampoo. Scrub your scalp with it, then wash your hair like usual. Try to do this once or twice a month. Number 3. Work your roots or regret it. Even a 5-year-old kid knows that hair grows from the roots. And if you ignore your hair roots, nothing can save you from hair loss. My grandma always makes 100% pure coconut oil at home, which makes our hair healthy, long, and thicker. You can start off by scraping fresh coconut and removing its skin. Chop it into nice small cubes. Here, we're using a hand mill to mash it, but you can obviously use a mixer jar. Make sure to add the fresh coconut water while making the coconut paste. Transfer the paste into a muslin cloth and squeeze out the excess water. Let the water sit for a few hours and wait until a solid mixture appears on top. Separate the solid part and transfer it into a pan. Heat it on low for a few minutes until the oil starts separating. Once the oil has separated, transfer it into a jar. We can use this oil for the next couple of months. Massage the oil into your scalp and leave it on for 1 hour. Use this oil twice a week for thicker and longer hair. Number 4. Never skip conditioner. Please never ever skip hair conditioner. If your ends are dry, mix your regular conditioner with cold-pressed coconut oil and apply it directly to the ends of your hair. Use any wrap to cover your hair and leave it on for 4 to 5 minutes or even longer if your hair is damaged. Then simply rinse with lukewarm water and you're good to go. For best results, do this once a week. Number 5. Skipping regular trims. Some people think trimming will reduce their hair length, so they purposely skip it. But did you know that split ends can travel up the hair shaft, causing breakage and weakening your hair? Don't let those damaging ends stick around. Get them trimmed so your hair can grow freely without those troublemakers holding it back. Number 6. Drink healthy smoothies. Make a healthy smoothie by combining fresh strawberries, a banana, and some blueberries. Add a bit of yogurt and water, then blend until smooth. Drink this once a week to support healthy blood circulation and provide essential vitamins your body needs for healthy hair growth. Number 7. Stop brushing wet hair. Brushing wet hair is like dragging a rake through a spider web. Brutal and pointless. Each stroke rips protein bonds like tearing silk with claws. Frizz explodes, ends split like cracked glass, and volume gone. By the end, you're left with sadness, static, and a broom's worth of hair in your brush. Number 8. Cleanse your hair naturally. Boil cypress leaves in water for 30 minutes. Then strain the water and let it cool slightly. Use this herbal rinse to wash your hair and scalp thoroughly. It helps remove buildup, refreshes the scalp, and leaves your hair feeling clean and revitalized. With regular use, it may also promote hair growth by strengthening and thickening the hair follicles. Number 9. Say no to excessive heat. We all love styling our hair with straighteners and curling irons, but using them too much can seriously damage it. That high heat can actually burn your hair, and once it's burned, it can't really heal on its own. Too much heat is often the first step toward hair loss and a bunch of other hair problems. Number 10. Consider hair biotin supplements. If you want to speed up your hair growth and really see results, try adding biotin supplements to your routine along with natural remedies. This combo can seriously boost growth, like way faster. Trust me, your new strands will come in thicker, and that annoying hair fall, it'll start to disappear too.